How to add a bank account in a different currency on Xero. First step is to add currency. I'll be using a demo UK company. Let's go to the settings. And under settings, select currencies. So first of all, let's add currency, and I will be adding AUD currency, Australian dollars. Let's add a currency. So this is the first step. Next, we go into accounting, bank accounts. Add bank account. And now let's go ahead and find the account now we want to add in Australian dollars. Other countries. I'll be adding Australian dollars. Let's say this is my account which I need to add. Let's name account HSBC Australia. That would be everyday account. And here you can now select the currency this account is in. Once you added information, click Continue. And here you can see your Australian account was added in Australian dollars.